If you love pizza and you're looking for a good recipe for pizza dough, you've come to the right place. This is simple, fast, easy, and delicious. Incredible. Hi, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Today I'm going to show you how to make very simple pizza dough. The first step is to make sure you have all your ingredients and all your tools. So I've got my warm water, about 110 degrees, yeast, sugar, I've got salt, olive oil, flour, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of dry herbs and a little bit of garlic powder. Make sure you have a pizza peel and then parchment paper. Super important, the parchment paper. I'm gonna use my stand mixer, but you can also use your hands. The first step in making your pizza dough is you wanna add 1 packet of active dry yeast to 1 cup of warm water, and you wanna make sure you put 1 teaspoon of sugar in there so that the yeast has something to eat. And then just mix it. And we are gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes until the yeast forms a nice foam. Then, super important, make sure you cut some parchment paper because this is where we're gonna form our pizza shapes, and it makes it so much easier. Then I put the parchment on a pizza peel and then you just slide it into your oven. So I have a pizza stone in the oven. It has been heating at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes now. Super important to make sure you do that. And that's it. We're just gonna wait for this to foam. Okay, look at this. The yeast is looking so happy. We definitely proofed that yeast, no problem. Just gonna give it a little mix. Then, look at that. Oh, I love it when it works. The next step is to add the water mixture, the yeast, the proofed yeast, into your flour mixture. I want all that foamy goodness to get in there. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna just give it 1 mix with my fork, but I'm going to put it on my stand mixer and let it begin to mix it for me because I just like the way the stand mixer does it. Let's not forget a little bit of the, okay, it's sticking, the garlic powder, just to give it some flavor. You don't have to do this if you don't want. And that would be my dog, and a little bit of oregano. A lot of times I like to use dried basil. I just couldn't find it today. So anyways, there you go. I'm gonna hook it onto my stand mixer. Set up my stand mixer, just gonna put it on low. And I'm just gonna let it mix it all together for me. It smells amazing. So it's gonna look sticky, and that's okay. And you can have some flour on hand nearby if you need to add more flour to it. So the pizza dough has been resting for about 10 minutes now. And I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on my hand so I can work with the dough easily. Look at this gorgeousness. Okay, hello, baby. I've got 2 pieces of parchment paper. This is enough for 2, actually really for 4 pizzas, but I'll make 2 medium pizzas. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna put 1 here and 1 here. So for me, you can take a rolling pin and you could roll it out. I'm just gonna form it into a circle, and then I'm just going to push it to the edges. I have found using the parchment paper makes it so easy to get it on and off the pizza peel. All that kind of good stuff. Okay. And what my husband asked me the last time, it's a great request, is make the crust thin on the bottom and a little thicker on the edges. So I'm gonna do that for him. Look at this nice little kind of a circle, right? And then we will put our fixins, and it goes in the oven at 450 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depends on your oven, how strong it is. Okay, so pizza crust is ready. Start by putting a little bit of pizza sauce on the pizza. So simple. I'm gonna go light on the cheese here. We love having pizza parties here at our house. New Year's Eve, we had a big pizza party. And yeah, it's fun. Everyone can build their own pizzas. You just get all the fixings out. So much fun. On the hot pizza stove. So here we go. Look at that. Oh my God. Amazing. Going in. Okay. Woohoo, that looks good. Look at that. The pizza is out of the oven. It looks incredible, and I'm just going to cut this. That to me is a slice. I'm good, but I'm gonna make it smaller because some people like to eat smaller pieces of pizza. I don't know who these people are, but anyways, okay. Just gonna add a little bit of fresh basil to my pizzas because I love it and my husband loves it. If you love pizza and you're looking for a good recipe for pizza dough, you've come to the right place. This is simple, fast, easy, and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.